Thank you for joining me today at 2cutebeads.com. Today we're going to show you how we capture the Rivoli in our Butterfly Suncatcher kit. Your kit comes with all the components needed to create a suncatcher. So first we're going to take our wire and straighten it. Going to load our butterflies on. So we have our 7 butterflies on. Then we're going to take our wire and we're going to back through our butterflies. Seven. So we have all 7. Like this. And we're going to twist. And we can start it with our fingers, but now we need to get it really tight. So you're going to use your chain nose or your bent nose, whichever ones you have, and you're going to start tightening down. Now we need to take our Rivoli and set it in before we complete it. And this is a little tricky. So I need to move my butterflies around a little bit until I get it to lay in there. And now I've moved all of these forward. And I'm going to hold it in place and continue. Till I have it nice and tight. Now my Rivoli is in the center and it's not going to come out. Now I'm just going to right now, I'm going to nip some off here. So depending on the amount of bicones you got in your kit, this one is going to take 5 on top, 5 on bottom. So that's all I'm going to do is add my 5 bicones. One, two, three. Sometimes this is the hardest part, is finding the holes in the beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5. Then I'm going to add my butterfly. Five more bicones. There it is. Oh, I almost missed a bicone here. Now I'm just going to make a loop. Nip off the extra wire, straighten it. And you either have a chain that you cut into, the directions will tell you, or you have just this one comes with just a piece of chain with the 2 loops on the end. So I'm just going to open this up, add on the sun catcher, close it until it clicks. Now I have my butterfly sun catcher complete. And sometimes if you want to, mine's locked in nice and tight so I don't need to. But if it's not locked in as tight as you'd like, you can drop a little bit of glue on the back side of it. But again, that's how we created the butterfly sun catcher. Thanks for joining us.